What's up guys, Aiden here, Ace on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. We got myself, Garrett, Falcon Hands Lawn Care, Derek, the Boys Landscaping. We got my brother, who's back in the yard doing push mowing. We got our dumpster here. But we're on a 4,000 square foot sod job, and day one is prep day. So figured you guys would follow along, and you know, let's have a great day. We'll roll some B-roll for you, and for that matter, sod's here. What would you like to say to the young people of YouTube?
Dude, it's lunchtime. I don't really care.
What would Derek like to say?
Stay safe, stay healthy, eat sandwiches.
Making some progress.
Please don't actually put this on the video.
Somebody gonna tell me what time it is for the video?
13, 14.
There you go.
Alright guys, this is what we've done so far back here. That's our view of the water. Then if you come around here, got some water nice in there. There's plenty of our boys.
I'm gonna try.
What's up guys, Garrett here, Falcon Hands Lawn Care. First day complete. We got all this, putting some fresh topsoil down. Aiden's having me reed whack that over there. And Derek's over on the other side of the house, tearing it up. Got any words?
Do I have any words?
I gave him a little update.
You gave him a little update, okay?
Yeah.
Hey guys, we are done for the day. Absolutely D-O-N-E.
We're pretty much done. We're just wrapping up the finals.
Hey,
here now.
Say, why you wearing a V-neck, bro?
It didn't start a V-neck.
This is a sweat neck. This is a sweat neck, not a V-neck.
Sweat neck,
Where's
V-neck.
that lawn roller? Oh, it rolled down the bottom.
Yeah. How was your first day?
First day? We're tired and sweating and hot. It's 1949. So, we've been here for almost 12 hours.
Yep.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Look at that concentration on his face. Alright, back to work. A long day. Aiden's probably gonna cut this out, knowing him, but just kidding, bro. Love you. Right here. So tomorrow we just got to do some topsoil, and then that'll be all, and then we'll be laying some sod tomorrow, boys. We're all tired. I'm just ready to go home and have some dinner, get a shower, and rest up.
What's going on, guys? I'm here with Derek. We're walking around. This is day 2, and we're working on the job. We got all of our low spots filled in with topsoil. We're back there doing some sod. Got a few more topsoil to go in. We got our drain we did yesterday. I showed you guys that. Pretty much that's it. I'll take you guys around back, show you what the guys are up to. They should be doing the fence line. They just finished all these plants along here. We got all the grass that all had to be manually shoveled out all the way around, so they got just some debris to clean up down in there. But other than that, let's have a look at what they're doing. So we got Ryan, Garrett, and Mateo. Looks like they're just shoveling out all the edges, getting the remainder of the grass out, and pretty much loading the dumpster as high as possible. How's it going, Garrett?
Feeling pretty good, man.
Good, good, good. And then we got our final back section where the garden is. So we got topsoil to spread on there. That'll be our final area. But in the meantime, I'll walk you guys around and show you where Derek and I are with the sod progress. So yeah, this is this section. We got just some topsoil to fill in some low areas. And then you have the new section, what the new grass is going to go ahead and look like. Derek and I are pretty much just finishing up sodding this. We got a few more edge pieces, and we're pretty much done on this section. So we got Rob with Turf Therapy here. Thanks, Rob, for coming down and giving us a hand and with the camera work. So all the footage is going to be from him, and yeah, let's continue working. We got 6 inches. Getting started here. That's 6 right there. And we're making good progress. We just
You're on film now.
Yeah, there you go. We get customer telling these guys what's going on.
Pick up the pace. That's right. Garrett, how old is this roller?
I have no clue.
Is it older than you?
Probably.
That roller is, we got it from a customer, and it's probably 15 years old. We're probably, So, in case you guys didn't believe me, we're here with Rob with Turf Therapy.
I'm
What's
here.
up, brother?
What's up, man?
So, originally he was just the film guy.
Yeah, I was a B-roll master.
B-roll master. And we were falling behind, and he quickly turned in. In 30 minutes, he unloaded 2 pallets of sod.
I did that.
And yeah, we're making progress. We got just a little bit left.
We're almost done.
Cruising, yeah.
Crushing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can move he just gets like one. He gets 4 of these right on a wheelbarrow.
Yeah, 4. Yeah, you just take them like this. Each wheelbarrow is a little different. This one, they stack better. I have found, take this and stack this one here. Then the weight stays balanced a little bit more. But I actually like to load up all 3 at the same time.
Yeah.
And then it turns into a little workout for me. So I load up all 3, and then you might think I'm rushing, but I'm actually just getting a workout out of it. So I'll load up all 3, and then I just do them as fast as I can. Stack up all 3, so I turn it into like a little workout. So I get all 3 loaded up, 4 in each one, and I kind of look to see where sod is needed. I don't see any spaces over there yet that needs it. So there's the area in the back, and then what I do is I try to go down there and back within 90 seconds. And then I do it 3 times. Then when I get done, I take a couple minutes off, then I start it again. So each one of these are positioned for me to get out of here pretty quickly. So this one's here for a reason. Then I go.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not going to keep you guys very much longer. That was a very long video. A couple shout outs I want to give. Rob at Turf Therapy. Rob, you're the man. Thank you so much for coming down and doing all that filming for us. Video turned out awesome. Hope you guys thought the same way. Garrett Falkenhands Lawn Care, Derek DeBlois Landscaping, my buddy Mateo, and my brother Ryan. Thank you guys for your help. We nailed that job, knocked it out of the park. Good job, boys. We did it. We finished it up. As always, guys, I'm not going to keep you very much longer. I'll say there's going to be an update video for the sod because we are doing maintenance there now. So with that, I'm Aiden from Maze Lawn Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.